If you run an online store with WooCommerce, adding coupon codes is a fantastic way to boost sales, reward loyal customers, or attract new ones with great deals. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through step by step how to add coupon codes in WordPress using WooCommerce. So by the end, you'll know exactly how to set up, customize, and launch your first coupon with complete confidence. Let's dive right in. First, we need to make sure that coupons are actually enabled on your store. Sometimes WooCommerce has this feature turned off by default, so let's check. Head over to your WordPress dashboard and look for WooCommerce on the left-hand menu. Click Settings, you'll land on a page with several tabs across the top. Choose the General tab, then scroll down until you find a section labeled Enable the use of coupon codes. Make sure the checkbox is ticked. If it's not, go ahead and click it. This tells WooCommerce to start accepting coupon codes at checkout. Once you've done that, click Save Changes at the bottom. Don't worry if it takes a moment to reload. WooCommerce is just updating your store system behind the scenes. Now let's actually create a new coupon code. From your dashboard again, find the Marketing menu and select Coupons. If you haven't made a coupon before, you'll see a button saying Create your first coupon. If you have, just click Add Coupon at the top. Here you'll enter a unique code, something memorable like Summer 20, so you can share it easily with customers. Underneath, there's a space for a description. This is just for your reference to remind you what this coupon's for, like 20% off summer sale valid through July. Next up, we move on to the General tab where you set exactly what your coupon does. The discount type is important. You can pick percentage discount for something like 20% off the whole cart, fixed cart discount for a flat amount like $10 off the total, or fixed product discount if you want to give, say, $5 off one particular item. Let's say we want 20% off the total order. You'd choose percentage discount here, and then in the coupon amount box, type 20. If you want the coupon to also provide free shipping, there's a little checkbox for Allow free shipping. This can be a great incentive for hesitant buyers. And to keep your offers timely, you can set a coupon expiry date, which is super helpful if you're running a limited time deal. You don't have to remember to turn it off manually. Now it's time to set up usage restrictions. These help make your coupon work just the way you want. Click on the Usage Restriction tab. If you want to require a minimum or maximum spend for the coupon to work, like orders above $50 only, you can add those limits here. You can also check individual use only to make sure the coupon won't combine with any others. Stacking can sometimes eat into your margins by accident. If you don't want the coupon using sale items, be sure to check Exclude Sale Items. That way, your already discounted products aren't marked down even further. And if this deal is just for a certain product or category, you can include or exclude that here too. This is great, for instance, if you want to move old stock or run a promo on a new collection only. Almost done. Let's go to the Usage Limits tab. Here you can control how many times this coupon can be used in total. Maybe you're giving out the first 50 customers a deal. You can also limit how many times a single user can redeem it. This helps avoid abuse and make sure as many people as possible get a chance. Last but not least, once everything looks good, click Publish. Your coupon code is now live and ready for your customers. And that's it. You've just set up a WooCommerce coupon from scratch. If this walkthrough helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into any issues. I'm happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple, practical WordPress tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and good luck with your next promotion.